Hello, I'm Rosie.
And I'm Colin. And we've got 5 or 6 hours of vacation slides to show you.
No, we don't, actually. We're here to tell you all about sourdough bread.
We are?
Yes. Okay, let's get started. Did you know that a traditional sourdough baking process goes back to the California Gold Rush?
You're reading this, aren't you?
No. Plus, I did some research. I made a few notes.
So, my little encyclopedia, what exactly is sourdough?
Well, it's a type of bread that doesn't use yeast as a leavening agent.
These miners had agents?
I don't think so. Look at them.
Isn't it nice to see the guys helping with the dishes?
Now, Colin, did you know to make sourdough bread you need a chunk of what's called starter or mother dough?
Wouldn't you need mother dough and father dough?
No, just mother dough. These guys here used to carry a chunk of it with them in their bedroll to keep it warm.
Well, that's an image I'll carry with me for supper time.
Well, we're not talking 5-star restaurant here, we're talking grub. They would take the dough, put it on a stick, and cook it over the campfire.
Isn't it true they used to strain their coffee grounds through a sock?
I hope so.
Oh, I love these guys. The Jefferson Airplane.
No. This is the Bodine family. And this is Isidore Bodine.
Bonjour.
He's the one who perfected the sourdough starter.
Tastes perfected to me.
Yeah. By the way, did you know they are still using the same sourdough starter that Isidore mixed here 150 years ago? Excuse me?
Must have been an awful lot of it.
You see, you have to save a little bit of the starter dough to mix with the next day's batch of flour and water to keep the fermentation process going.
Hey, did you know that the strain of bacteria found in mother dough is Lactobacillus San Francisco?
How did you know that?
Internet. Hey, can we watch them bake something?
Oddly enough, that's what we're here for.
Great.
You people go on ahead. I'm going to meet you in there. Colin, you stay here and make sure they're no time, okay?
Okay. All right, this one. The red line to my right. They're on their way, Rosie.
Okay, everybody, here we go. Come on in. There's plenty of room. Gather around the window right here. Make sure you can find a spot where you can see me on the screen. Come on, Colin. They can find their way, okay? It's not the California Trail.
We lost a couple to coyotes along the way.
Oh, that's so sad.
Oh, well, what can you do?
This is the bakery. That should be obvious to everyone.
Oh,
Even
look
to...
what I found.
What's that?
Oh, and I have one for you. Who's the little cutie?
Is it me? You want the cutie?
Okay, I'm ready to start baking. What do we do first?
Okay. First you get a hunk of the mother dough and mix it with flour, add a little salt and water, and that's it. Voila, the entire list of ingredients.
All right. Here's some dough. Let's bake it.
Oh, not so fast. From start to finish, it takes bakers about 72 hours to make a loaf of sourdough bread.
72 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your hurry? Relax, and all the roses.
Okay, so what's next?
Well, you know, bakers actually think of dough as a living thing. So after it's been beaten up and kneaded by the mixer, it needs to sort of relax and calm down.
Other dough.
Seems pretty relaxed to me. In fact, almost catatonic. I internalize all my tension. Well, what happens then?
Well, then we drop it into that funnel over there, above the divider. The divider cuts it into nice, even pieces.
So for this, it has to be relaxed?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Oh, what happens then when it goes down that conveyor belt?
Well, it goes into the rounder. Do you know what the rounder does?
Makes it into squares?
No.
Tetrahedrons?
No.
Polygons?
Is that your final answer?
Okay, so now the dough is round.
Yes. Then we have my favorite machine, the overhead intermediate proofer.
Wow, it's like a little Disney ride for bread. Attention, please keep your little buns in the vehicle at all times.
The device rolls the dough over and over from basket to basket, takes it on a little trip, letting it, once again, relax.
This is the most laid-back bread on earth. Come on, Rosie, you're teasing me. Can't we bake it?
No, not yet. Next, the bakers lay the dough on screens and put the screens into oven racks.
Then we bake it.
Not yet. You'll have to go around the corner to the next window to find out more, okay? And you go on ahead. I'll stay here and get the stragglers.
You stay with the nice lady.
All right.
All right. Everyone, follow me.
Follow him, everybody. And you relax, okay? Okay. Come on.
Oh, nice shirt. All right. All right. Okay. Well, this, I guess, is the oven. If not, I'm having some incredible hot flashes. Slap some garlic butter on me and I'm ready to go.
Hey, Colin. Okay, where were we?
We were getting ready to bake some bread.
No, we weren't. What, are you trying to confuse me? Let me think. I remember the racks of dough. The racks of dough are taken upstairs to a refrigerated fermentation room.
Refrigerator?
Yes.
Look, I know a thing or two about baking bread. Well, actually I don't, but I'm pretty sure you have to have heat to bake something, right?
Sounds right to me. For a technical question like that, I'm gonna have to call in an expert. I'd like you to meet my friend, Tony, the baker. Tony!
Hi! Are you enjoying your visit?
Oh, we're having a great time, we really are. But I'm afraid I have reached my limit of baking knowledge.
Tony, call in here. Give us the lowdown. Don't you think we've coddled this dough long enough? Isn't it time to turn up the heat on this baby?
Well, no. The dough needs time to ferment in a refrigerated, climate-controlled room. Now that gives the bread a better flavor, texture, and color. It takes about 13 to 16 hours.
You know, I like a man who can cook.
Then what happens?
In the proof box, the dough is slowly brought up to about 95 degrees, 90% humidity.
Why not just take it to Florida?
All right, so it's baking now, right? Because it's rising.
No, it's still fermenting. The dough triples in size now due to the expansion of trapped gases.
Hey, listen, we all have trapped gas occasionally.
Well, now the bread is scored, so it won't split when it's baked.
Oh, so now, I'm almost afraid to ask, it's time to bake it, right? Or do we have to take it up to dinner first? Maybe a bit of a rub-down?
It's ready to bake.
You're kidding!
I hear they spin the bread around when they're actually baking. Is that true?
That's right. And a mist of steam is sprayed on it from time to time. This gives the crust a beautiful reddish golden color.
Oh, so I'm thinking I probably couldn't do this at home in the toaster oven.
No, I don't think so.
Listen, Tony, thank you so much.
Yes.
Just did a thrill.
You were superb. I feel enlightened, enriched, fermented.
My pleasure. Bye.
Bye-bye.
You know what? I'm going to spray you down because I think you could use some of that golden
Okay, just a
color.
little on the... Okay, that's enough. All right, the hair. You know, I defrizz it. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for. A masterpiece of the baker's art. What are you doing? Hey, what are you...
Waiting for that.
That's not yours.
Tony, give it to me. Look right at me.
He didn't look at you. That was ours to share, Colin.
No, it's mine. Hold on.
One piece, please.
No.
One little piece?
No.
A tiny piece?
No.
I'm telling Mickey.
All right. Here.
Yeah, you see?
Here, don't tell Goopy I owe him money.
You do?
Well, don't even ask.
I don't even want to get into that. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great time here.
Bye.
I'm going to go eat. You know, share it.
What happens is it ends up giving all of that scratch and everything, like the restaurants have. It goes into not only but wet food. They dries it in the process of making it.
Okay, everybody. Down here. Whistle!
Have a good time. You get some make sound.
I got a appetizer.
Well, I guess that's kind of like